Hello friends, today we are going to see the BOD, so that is biochemical oxygen demand. So which means the amount of oxygen required to decompose any substance, that is called biological oxygen demand. So the quantity or amount of oxygen required to decompose biologically degraded organic matter, so that is called biological oxygen demand in specific duration and a specific temperature. So in India we can take in the temperature as 20 degree Celsius. So in BOD we can consider only the active bacteria. So BOD is always less than COD. So we have to keep in mind the COD is more than BOD, and COD is the chemical oxygen demand. So next, the BOD is 100% is independent of temperature. So to get the ultimate BOD value is not possible, because the time required for ultimate BOD is infinity. So which means the practically not possible to find out the ultimate BOD. So hence the BOD of 5 days is conducted at 20 degrees Celsius is taken as a standard BOD in India. So that will be denoted as BOD 5. Next thing, the BOD 5 days is tested in 20 degrees Celsius is equal to a 68% of ultimate BOD, and for 10 days we conduct the test 20 degrees Celsius, it's equal to 90% of BOD ultimate. So we can't get the 100% of BOD ultimate. So next thing is the maximum permissible BOD in sewage is municipal sewage is 20 milligram per liter, and the industrial sewage is 30 milligram per liter. So then the standard BOD produced by India is 80 gram per day per head. So next thing, the initial stage of BOD is called carbonaceous organic BOD up to 28 days. So second stage is called nitrogenaceous organic BOD. So BOD is determined in the lab with the help of dilution factor and depletion of oxygen at the specified temperature and specified duration. So dilution factor is known as the ratio of the value of diluted sample of the sewage with the distilled water. So if we take the volume of distilled water is 300 ml, that is volume of bottle or jar, then volume of sewage sample is taken 4 ml, so the dilution factor is 300 divided by 4 is equal to 75. So the dilution factor is always greater than 1. So if the dilution factor is 2%, then the value is 100 by 2 is equal to 50 ml. So this is the dilution factor, and we have to find out the BOD value by using the relation the BOD equal to initial dissolved oxygen minus final dissolved oxygen in the diluted sample. So we can calculate the initial DO and the final DO into the volume of diluted sample divided by the volume of original sample. So that is called the dilution factor. So the formula is depletion of oxygen consumed or lost in the specified duration and time, so into dilution factor. So we can get the BOD value. So the BOD is milligram per liter, the initial DO minus final DO into dilution factor. So dilution factor don't have any units. Again we will see in next video. Thank you.